Hello, friends. I'm Karthik Wagela from Anand Rathi, and we welcome you to our weekly podcast with Mr. Osho Krishnan, Senior Manager at Anand Rathi. Hi, Osho. How is the market looking on the chart, and what could be the overall market outlook in the near future?
Greetings to everyone. Well, what we have seen in past 2 weeks that the equity market has reacted very positively to the budget outcome, wherein the broader index Nifty 50 had surged nearly 11% in this month and has set record highs. However, in the past week, Nifty witnessed a narrow range bound movement of merely 250 points, wherein the psychological mark of 15,000 levels has been the major support, while on the higher front 15,250 odd level has been the resistance. The market seems to remain in the bullish trajectory as the index is in the cycle of higher highs and higher lows and is also placed comfortably above all the major moving averages on the daily chart. Even on the oscillator front, the major indicators are hovering in a comfortable zone, suggesting to have a bullish stance in the near future. The immediate support for Nifty could be seen at 15,000 psychological mark, followed by 14,600 to 14,650 zone, which is the 21-day exponential moving average. While on the higher end, the resistance could be seen around 15,250, breaching which 15,500 could be seen on immediate basis. Simultaneously, the bank Nifty sector has been the major contributor to the upmove and upliftment of the overall market sentiments, as on month basis bank Nifty has outperformed the benchmark index with whooping gains of nearly 18%. However, the previous week has been very subdued and narrow range bound movement has been witnessed. In the current scenario, one should keep a cautious approach as the index has surged very high in the recent past and some healthy correction could be seen in the near future. The immediate support for bank Nifty is seen around 35,300 to 35,500 zone, which is the immediate runaway gap on the daily chart, followed by the psychological mark of 35,000. While on contrary, a strong resistance is seen at 36,500 levels, breaching which 500 points of upmove could be seen on immediate basis.
Can you brief us about the derivative data for the indices in the upcoming week?
On derivative front, for Nifty 15,000 put option has the highest addition of open interest, whereas the maximum open interest concentration is around the same levels, followed by 14,500 put option, which suggests that the broader support base is from 14,500 to 15,000 for Nifty. While on the contrary, 15,500 call option has seen the highest open interest concentration, followed by 16,000 call option, suggesting bullish stance with a broader range of 14,500 to 16,000 in the near future. However, the put call ratio is hovering near to the higher end, suggesting to have a cautious approach in the market. For bank Nifty, the immediate hurdle is pegged around 36,500 levels with highest OI concentration, followed by 37,000 call option, indicating nearby resistance zone for bank Nifty, while on contrary 35,000 put is having the maximum OI concentration, indicating it to act as a very strong support zone, followed by 34,500. Hence, the wide range for bank Nifty is expected to be 34,500 to 37,000 in near future.
Which sector and stocks are looking attractive at this given point of time?
At current scenario, from sector specific, IT has been the outperformer, followed by the energy sector. However, some diversification has been seen throughout the previous week, and instead of focusing on sector, one could even prefer looking at a stock specific front for the coming weeks. There has been various stocks which has seen good accumulation in terms of volume, and one could expect them to outperform in near future. From IT domain, Infosys is one of the counter which has seen some consolidation from past couple of weeks and the continuation of uptrend with a major support zone placed around 1280 levels, while the potential upside target for Infosys could be seen around 1350 to 1370. The another counter from the same space is Tech Mahindra, which has witnessed a consolidation range breakout and could surge towards 1020 odd zone in the coming future, while on contrary the support is placed around 960, making it a favorable risk reward ratio. Even from the frontline counter, Reliance should be kept at radar as it is on the verge of breakout from the ascending trend line, which is around 2080 levels, breaching which good up move could be seen in the counter. From the insurance sector, SBI Life, HDFC Life and LIC Housing Finance should be in focus. At the same time, it is advisable for the traders to remain cautious as the market is edging higher and focus more on a stock specific front. Thank you.